Fleet Street hate figure Russell Brand has been predictably slammed by the tabloid media after suggesting Britain's corrupt system could have been partly responsible for the radicalization of Jihadi John. In an episode of his online news show The Trews, Brand asked, "Could I have been Jihadi John?" It comes a week after the Islamic State murderer was identified as Mohammed Imwazi from West London. The Brand broadcast cited alienation, apathy, and isolation as the fuel behind the growth of the group known as Islamic State. He also read from a piece by Guardian columnist Kenan Malik which claims, "What draws most wannabe jihadis to Syria is, to begin with, neither politics nor religion. It is a search for something a lot less definable, for identity, for meaning, for belongingness, for respect, stating, I can identify with that.